Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith with Coastal Business Supplies, and we're going to show you our Voyager luggage tags.
Stay tuned. And we're back. So today in this video, we are going to be working with our two-sided FRP Voyager bag tag. So let's get started.
Okay, we did our design using Photoshop, and we printed using our Sawgrass printers. Okay, when we did our design, we did use some digital marketplace. And I did print both front and back on the same sheet, so I'm gonna go ahead and trim that up. I'll line it up with our template, and we're gonna use thermal tape to hold it down. And we're ready for our first press.
Thank you. So we are using our 16 by 20 press today. I'm going to be placing a piece of silicone down on our bottom platen to protect our bottom platen. You can also use Teflon. I'm going to place our image face down and then cover again with our silicone sheet. Today we are pressing at 385 degrees for 75 seconds at a medium pressure. Okay, so we are done. So we do have our thermal gloves on to protect our hands during pressing. This is a hot peel, so we're going to remove all layers immediately. Remove all of our tape, and we're just going to let it set to the side for just a few seconds to let it cool. FRP does tend to cool down pretty quickly.
And for those wondering what FRP is, it is actually like a thick type of plastic. Okay, now that it's cooled down, we're going to place it on our template for our second side. And again, adhere it with the thermal tape. And we're ready to go.
Thank you. Okay, so I am going to place our silicone down on our bottom platen again. Image face down. Cover again with silicone. And we are pressing again at 385 degrees for 70 seconds at a medium pressure. Okay, so we are ready to go. So again, we're going to remove all of our layers immediately. And then just set to the side to let it cool. Okay, so here you go. Here's our finished product. So this is, again, a two-sided Voyager bag tag. It is FRP. You can find this available online at coastalbusiness.com along with product instructions and templates. Anything else you want to add in there, Meredith?
Yeah, I do also want to reiterate that we got our clip art using our digital marketplace online, and we have these great little loops that are sold separately that you can adhere to the bag tag and then put right on your bag.
There you go. So thank you for watching our video tutorial, and we'll see you next time.